Welcome to Adijat's Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make the perfect crispy Scotch egg. First, start by seasoning your sausage meat with dry spices, which is onion, garlic, ginger, rosemary, thyme, salt, eggs, and black pepper, which I forgot to add here, but you will see me add it later. Go ahead and mix it together properly. All ingredients will be in the description section of this video. Cover it and set it aside for about 30 minutes in a cool place. Now boil your eggs until they are just right and firm, but not overcooked. Add the eggs to a nice cold water to stop it from cooking further. These eggs are cooked to firm texture, but if you would want your eggs a little bit juicy, then you cook the eggs for about 4 minutes and be extra careful when peeling the eggs. After peeling, set them aside. Next step is to add your unseasoned breadcrumbs into a blender. Then add garlic powder, onion powder, salt and cayenne pepper. Slightly blend it together to give you a fine texture. Remember, I said I forgot to add black pepper to the other seasoning earlier on. So now go ahead and add the pepper and then mix together properly. When about to wrap, make sure to cover your wok area with a cling film. This will give the sausage meat an easy lift without sticking to the wok area. Now measure the sausage beef and then divide it into equal parts. Sprinkle your plate with flour. That's where you're going to be putting the wrapped eggs, and this will help it from sticking to the plate. Flatten the sausage meat with burger maker, and you can also use your hands to flatten it, but using a burger maker actually make it quite easier. Dip the egg in flour to give it a perfect grip, and gently wrap the meat around the eggs, making sure it is nice and even. If you made it this far, thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new video. Add 2 eggs into a bowl and then go ahead and add a little bit of cayenne pepper and also add a little bit of salt. The cayenne pepper and the salt is optional because you are just using these eggs to wrap. Season your flour with salt and pepper and go ahead to mix it together. So here you have the seasoned flour, the seasoned breadcrumbs, and the seasoned egg. Like I said, seasoning the egg is optional. Now roll this Scotch egg into the beaten eggs and then go ahead and gently roll it on the flour. You can see how I'm doing it. I am gently doing that. And then the next thing is to put it back to the beaten egg, and then this time around take it to the breadcrumbs and gently wrap it around. You can actually do this twice or once is okay, depending on how crunchy you want it to be. So right here I did it twice, and the breadcrumbs is what is going to give it that golden crunch that you are looking for. Heat up your oil and fry until the Scotch eggs are crispy, golden brown, and perfectly cooked through. As you are frying it, continue to stir it and flip it gently, making sure that the sausage is cooked through. Remember, this is a fresh sausage and you want to make sure it is cooked through. And you want to do this and making sure that no part of the Scotch egg is burnt. And there you have it, delicious homemade Scotch eggs, crispy on the outside, firm on the inside, absolutely irresistible. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Now it is time to listen to the crispiness of this Scotch egg. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit. Bye.